Go, Pipe. You're gonna drive us? Let's go. Beep, beep. We've arrived at Pokagon State Park in Angola, Indiana. Currently, we are the only people here again. Got a couple inches of snow. More is on the way, too. You know how sometimes you just feel like you forgot something and you just don't know what it could be until you need that thing? Well, Mike asked me to make him some lunch. He wanted sloppy joes. I'm cooking them up, and then I'm looking for the buns. Nowhere to be found. Left them at home. So unfortunately, feel really bad, but Mike's just left. He's gonna go find a store and buy some buns because I failed. Mike went to the store and went shopping. Got us a dry erase board that we've been meaning to get. Got it all hung up. Looks pretty good. Guess we'll have to see how it rides going down the road, because some of these are pretty heavy magnets. But it's on there pretty good.
We're going to attempt to turn Piper into a sled dog. We're gonna see how this works.
Come on, Pipe. Let's see if Piper will ride with me. All right, Mike's turn. Come on, Pipes. Let's go. Come on. Piper, come. Come on, Pipes. No. Oh, that worked better with both of them. That was an experience.
I'm 39 years old playing with a $10 sled.
Yeah, while we're camping with our dogs in January. It worked out better than I thought it might for dogs that have never seen a sled before.
Yeah, Piper tried to kill it a couple times, but that's to be expected with Piper.
Yeah, she tries to kill a lot of things that move unexpectedly. So I thought it was a lot of fun. A couple of little wipeouts and got some energy out of the dogs.
$10 well spent.
Yep. This is site 376.
Yeah.
I believe it's a ADA site, but you know, we didn't know that until we were already backed in.
There's nobody here anyway. It's a bit low in the nose if you see how many of those orange Legos I put down.
Yeah, it was quite low, which is surprising because usually the ADA sites are right on the money. But overall, it's not a bad site.
No, pretty good.
Whew. So they predicted snow, and it snowed. I got, I don't know, at least 3 to 4 inches because it's covered up my boots, the tops of them. I'm sinking in. There was a little bit of snow on the picnic table before, but now there's a lot bit snow. It's kind of pretty and peaceful. Not so much when the wind picks up, I can tell you that much, but I'm kind of bummed that we're leaving today because I kind of want to enjoy the snow. We had a really good time here, and I think we'll have to come back to really do a lot more because we didn't really do a ton. The trail system was a little difficult to follow because everything was covered in snow. So we didn't do as many or long trails. We only did like 3 or 4 miles. Did pretty good.
Somewhere under the snow is the dump station. Somewhere. There it is. There it is. Joy. Come on! Let's do some Jeep things in the yard. We don't ever get to do things.
Watch out for that curve.
Small things in life.
We have returned from that snowy trip, and I'm sure plenty of you are wondering or would like to know, how did the Wraith do? How did it perform?
Just fine.
Just fine?
It drove like a big heavy truck.
So it didn't slip, nothing?
No, nothing.
If you guys remember correctly, when we moved in, there used to be a utility sink in here, and I wanted this to be the laundry room, which Mike promptly did. And then the utility sink sat right here next to all my gym equipment for the next 1.5 years. So I'm going to show you what Mike did with it finally. Ta-da! He installed this utility sink last week. I know a lot of you say Mike can literally fix anything, install anything, and you're not wrong. He did this in a matter of what seemed like minutes. He only had to go to the store to get some new fittings, and he put a new faucet on it just to make it easier to use. Our garage is even better with the utility sink. Also, that's the mop and bucket that Mike was using to clean the floor when I was washing the Wraith. If you haven't seen our last video where we talked about the product Salts Gun, again, not a paid promotion, just a product we liked. But next on the docket will be my Jeep, because this thing shows the salt very easily because it's black. Everything is always so filthy within a matter of minutes. Mike's doesn't look nearly as bad, and it was being toted around. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll show it on video. Let me know. If you want to see me salt scon the Jeeps, let me know. As for where we're going next, where we're headed next, when we're doing something next, that's a good question. Probably going to take a couple days at home, get some work done. We're probably going to head back out, but it won't be too long, I can tell you that much. We are kind of not looking forward to spring for the first time in our lives because we're really enjoying the empty campgrounds. So if you guys have any suggestions about where we should go within a relative amount of distance, we can't travel too far due to my work. So drop your suggestions below. Maybe we'll see ya. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. Catch you next time. See ya.